So now we are going to adjust the time delay between the sequence. So I'll focus here with my video camera. So it's here it's already 100 so we can make it like 1 everything should be 100. So here, so 100, yeah. Dito 100. So 100 na yung mga delay. Ito, system off, all are low. Here is the high, the last one. Here is high is green, and there is the red. High is the red, right? And for the others, the relay. So here the high is the second relay. There's a delay of 100 also. And then for the first relay high, this one is will make it to 100 only instead of 2000. So I think everything is okay now. 100. So what we have to do is, after editing the program, we have to verify. So as you can see, this tiny little tick mark or check mark, you have to press so that it will verify. Okay, then at the lower left, it will tell you if there's a problem. So here it says, what's it? Done compiling. Yeah, done compiling. Then after that, you should upload. Yeah, so here is the upload mark. Yeah, this arrow sign to the right or forward sign. So it says upload. So here, as you can see, at the bottom there is this note while uploading. It says done uploading. So we'll see what's the effect. So it becomes fast. As you can see, this is the red, green, blue, then the relay. Then it goes back red, green, blue, then the relay, red, green, blue, then the other two relay. Then we will power up this with the source for the output, because I put an output in this relay. I connected it with the buzzer. This is the buzzer. This is run by 12 volts. The other is here. It is being run with 220, as you can see here at the specs, no? So it says 6 watts, then 220 to 240. So this is 240 volts. Watts. This is 12 volts. Buzzer. This is 3.3 LED, 3.3 voltage LED, red, green, and blue RGB, and this is 5.5 volts relay. So this is a multi voltage application. So how did I do that? I use this power supply. It has 220. It has 24 volts. Yeah, I adjusted it to 12 volts, and then I tap to voltage from Arduino. That is 12 volts, as you can see here. It's 12 volts. It's 5 volts and 3.3. So somewhere here, there is near the ground. It says 5. There, 5 volts, and next to it is 3.3. Okay, so that is the application now. So I'll power up the power supply. This is the power supply. I'll power up. Yeah. So now, so that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching. So good evening. This is an experiment with Arduino using 2 servo motors and 1 stepper motor. So what I did in the program is I programmed the speed for the angles, for the angular distance, how much speed, and also the sweep. So this second robot is sweeping 180 degrees, and this one is having a multi speed back and forth arm of a robot. So I just put a delay for every pulse, in the pulse width modulation, because this servo motor is based on pulse width modulation. So this second robot is operated with the 2 sweep. I double the sweeping motion, and this one I programmed the speed based on the angle for every 15 degrees. And here is the stepper motor. Like there's a 4 cycle of the stepper motor, but the power is not enough so that you cannot see much the movement. So I put them in the cycle, and then they kind of looping. They just go on and on for the motion. So this is the Arduino UNO, and this is the breadboard, and this is the program, kind of long program, because I have not used the looping method or the subroutine method yet. This it's a long method program. No?
Offline.
Offline. Pero yung iba na nakapag-download ka na? Yung mga...
Hindi, wala akong download. Wala akong internet eh.
So hindi mo pa napagkano iba?
Yung iba lang, kunti na lang.
Konti na. So anong ano nito? Magra-run to?
Oo, run. 250.
Nilagyan mo ng ng mga resistor.
Oh, siyempre, protection.
Protection, no? Tago 220 na lang? 220 ohms?
Oo, tama.
Yung nilagay.
Breadboard.
Papa, ano to, sir? Ano to?
Ayan sir, yung temperature. Ito siya sir. DHT11.
Temperature,
Ayan yung pang pang
temperature, humidity, sensor.
sensor siya. Ng temperature tsaka humidity.
Pwedeng walang breadboard, diretso.
Pwede miss gamit si
Kasi
male to
lang naman to
female.
Tatlong pa lang naman, di ba? So pwede mo ng
Ito siya.
Tapos mamamonitor dito, sir, yung
30 degrees. Hindi, siguro 30 degrees yung part na yun.
30.
Paiba-iba eh.
Tingnan natin.
Nagiging 30 eh. Oh.
Ano yung temperature niya ngayon? 30?
30 ngayon.
Yung humidity?
26 ngayon.
26.
Paiba-iba siya eh. Yung sukat eh.
Sir.
Ayan sir,
Temperature,
humidity.
30
Ayan
pa
yun,
yan.
bago ulit. Naging 35.
Humidity 35.
Pinapay pa yan.
Hindi, ang ginagamit ng pag-asa.
Baka nga ito yun
Hindi.
sir.
Hiram tayo ng hiram pa ng lighter, sir. Lighter.
Nahirapan natin siya.
Hindi, para lang. Para mainitan siya,
Ito
tingnan natin.
bumababa. Hindi.
Kay mama. Wala. Ayaw naman ni Karili ni mama. Dala ng lighter. Kasi kung iinitan natin yung environment, di ba? Environment, initan natin yung bago. Ayan. Ilapit na yan.
Sila mo yung wire?
Huwag mo sila ba yung
Bumaba pa nga.
Bakit bumaba? Ayan, sige. Sige. Ayan, mataas. 30.
Hindi kanina pa 30 yan.
Hindi, bumaba ng 29 eh. Kasi ma'am, alam mo kung bakit nakatapat tayo sa aircon eh. Bakit ayaw? No.
Ang porte ng humidity niya, miss.
Yun. Di ba? Tumaas, no? Ayun, bumaba, 39. Dati ba kanina, 35?
Sa Rio, last time.
No?
Sabi mo.